Hello everyone. So sorry I'm not in class today. I'm in the building. I'm just in the office because I am sitting in on social studies interviews this morning. No one's leaving. We're just adding a position, but I am sitting in on those interviews this morning. But today, your guys' activity and what you're going to be working on during class today is the beginning of our second common assessment, the second time in this class, and the last time you will do in this class as a full DBQ and essay. So to end out our civil rights unit, you guys are going to be analyzing some primary source documents and putting together an argument or a prompt about the civil rights movement. So this assignment is going to be posted in your classroom. And here you can see are the instructions. So you guys know part one, you guys always analyze different documents and stuff like that. For this DBQ, we kind of left it more open-ended and allowed more choice for you guys to kind of write about whatever topics that you want to. So our prompt for this is there are defining moments in people throughout history. Choose the top 3 moments, people, or organizations of the 50s and 60s civil rights movement. Justify your rankings with evidence. So you are going to write a paper, 5-paragraph paper, over that topic. Basically, what are the 3 defining moments, people, or organizations of the civil rights movement? So you're going to choose your top 3. And then you are going to analyze those documents that have to deal with those 3 topics, and then you are going to write an essay eventually. But let's stick with part 1 first. So in order to write this essay, you guys know that in each paragraph you have to have 2 pieces of evidence from documents from the DBQ activity. So the first thing you need to do, though, is to choose your 3 topics. And so on this other document here, need to pull this open. This is this little PowerPoint here is the different topics for the civil rights DBQ. So once again, there's the prompt, and then you can see 1 through 19 are the different topics. 19, we group the organizations together, so you don't have to use all the organizations. You can just pick a couple to write in your paragraph if that's one of the things that you choose. But you get to choose any from these 19, and you need to tell us which were the most impactful, which are the most important to the civil rights movement and understanding the civil rights movement. So this is still a work in progress because it's Monday when I'm recording this, but on Wednesday when you guys do this, everything will be put together. So let's say, for instance, you choose to do Freedom Summer and Freedom Schools, or actually let's say Stokely Carmichael and Black Power. So I'm going to find that area, and here you can see you have Black Power, which is document 13. It's actually 13A. For each topic, like Stokely Carmichael and Black Power, there's 2 documents. There's 13A, there's 13B. So there are 2 different primary sources that you have for each topic. Just, say you chose the Voting Rights Act of 1965, there's 12B, there's 12A. Same thing if you chose the Selma March, there's 11B, there's 11A. So you would analyze both documents. If you go back to over here, you choose your 3 topics from this list at the beginning here. Okay, then it says analyze each of the documents for your topic using the happy analysis. So go down here, and then finally it says place your rankings provided on this assignment. Number 1 should be the top, and number 3 should be the bottom. So let's say I chose Selma, I chose the Voting Rights Act of 1965, and I chose Black Power. Okay, just throwing that out there because those were some of the ones that I was responsible getting documents for. So let's say I'm going to put Selma right here. I would put whatever number Selma is. So Selma is 11. So I have 2 documents to analyze for Selma. For each topic, there's 2 documents. So I'm going to put 11A right here, and then I'll do 11B down here. And I put Selma up here under topic. Now, for each of those documents, I have to do the happy analysis. And if you forgot what happy is, there is your reminder. You're looking at the historical context, the audience, the point of view, the purpose, and the why the source is important. So I'm going to put all that analysis in this space provided here. Then I'm going to go to the second document. I'm going to use the happy analysis for that document. I'm going to put the information there. Okay, and then let's say I chose the Voting Rights Act of 1965. Okay, so I would go down. Here's the next page. I put topic, Voting Rights Act 1965. I go back in my DBQ and find that the Voting Rights Act is document number, or topic 12. So I have 12A, 12B. I would put that in the document spot there, and then I would analyze 12A, analyze 12B, using all 5 points. You guys do need to answer all 5 prompts for each of your documents. And then I would finally choose my last topic, and I would put that there. Then before I'm done, I need to decide, okay, which one do I feel is the most important? So maybe I put number 1 here because that was the Voting Rights Act. Maybe I put number 2 over here on Selma, and then I'll put Black Power as number 3. So I put the ranking there. Number 1 is the most important, 2, then 3. So that's what you guys are working on today. You can see at the very end it tells you you're now ready to move on to the essay part. But first you have to analyze your 6 documents. So in total, you will be analyzing 6 primary source documents. Your documents come from the Google slideshow that is attached. And this thing will be all organized. You can see there's different documents, pictures, stuff like that for the different topics. Okay, and you guys get to pick your topics. There's no one telling you what you need to choose. You guys get to pick the topics that you're putting into your essay. It's whatever you think are the 3 biggest standout, biggest influential, most impactful parts of the civil rights movement. Okay, so total of 6 documents being annotated. You guys are going to have today, which is Wednesday when you guys are doing this, to annotate those documents. I would hope that we are starting to write our essays on Thursday. You guys are going to have Thursday, obviously, to work on your essay, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we decide to be nice and make the essay due Monday at 11:59 to remind you on Monday that, hey, this is due this evening. So tomorrow when I'm back, I will talk about the essay first to kind of talk about what you need to do there. I'll get you guys logged into the right Turnitin thing. And then you guys will have rest of work time. So pretty much these last 2 days is our assessment. This is a common assessment, and it is one that we are going to be grading and evaluating in depth and everything. So our DBQ is worth 50 points, and the essay is worth 100 points. So this is a pretty big activity with everything put together. But remember, you guys are choosing the documents, or not necessarily the documents, but the topics, and then you need to analyze both documents for that topic. So it's whatever topic you guys want to choose. I'm not telling you which ones to choose. So that assignment is posted to Google Classroom. I did make this a Kami assignment, so you guys all have your own copy. You should just be able to refresh at the end. Guys, make sure when you open this up in Kami, it does not say that you're offline. If it's offline, it's not going to save your changes. So if you see that at the beginning, log out of Kami, log back in, etc. So you guys will have this assignment. You can see there's the Google Slides there with all the documents and the topics. And then here is the actual DBQ activity that you guys are filling out. So feel like it's pretty simple. Let me know if you have questions. You can always go ask Mr. Unrow. He will answer questions for you, or Miss Danson, or Mr. Ham. If you are not completely getting something, if you want to shoot me an email, you can. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to answer my email since I will be in interviews this morning. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.